If you grew up dipping cake rusk into chai, you already know the taste. But I guarantee you, you have never seen how it's really made. There is a step in this process that changes everything. The cake rusk eaten in every home, every single morning. How is it actually made inside local bakeries? Is it really double baked, or is there a hidden truth no one will tell you? So, what I found inside these local bakeries, honestly, I didn't expect it.
Fresh eggs arrive before dawn. Thousands needed for a single batch. This is a street bakery in Lahore. No automation, just fire and hands.
This is Pakistan's most universal morning ritual.
Baking powder is the first secret. Without it, the cake will never rise. Butter is creamed until pale. This creates the rusk's signature lightness. That golden color? It's not saffron, it's food coloring, honey. E102 tartrazine. The batter goes into industrial trays. Each one yields hundreds of rusks. These ovens are gas-fired stone chambers. Some have been burning for decades. "55 minutes at 350 degrees. The first bake creates cake. By morning, these bags will be in shops across the city. But Cake Rusk alone is only half the ritual. Now, the chai. Doodh Patti starts with milk, not water. That's the rule. Loose tea leaves hit boiling milk. The color changes in seconds. A full rolling boil. 3 to 5 minutes. The flavor deepens. The pour from height. This is what creates that signature froth.
They call this Doodh Patti, milk brewed dark and strong.
Three seconds in the tea. Not 2, not 4, 3. The outside softens. The inside stays crunchy. That's the perfect dip. This is Pakistan's most universal morning ritual. And now you've seen how it's made.
This production by Next Forge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Forge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.